Hi everyone, this is Krista with Art Graphic Studio. Today I'm going to show you how to upload and assemble my Overflap number birthday card. This project is only available on Cricut Design Space. Just search for Art Graphic Studio to access my shared files. So let's get started. If you're a Cricut Design Space user, you can access some of my shared projects by opening Cricut Design Space, and on the home screen, in the search bar, type Art Graphics Studio and press enter. Then scroll down to Community Members and click on Art Graphics Studio. There you'll find all of my shared projects. All right, let's get started. Hi everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to assemble the Overflap birthday number card. Now I have made it for my grandson, Pasha. Happy birthday, Pasha. And so it's his 17th birthday. So I have made the 17th. Now this is the bottom part of the base, and this is the top part of the base. And the way this will glue together is that you will glue it like this and then fold it down, and then I have a panel that goes on top of it. So let's go ahead and do that. We'll run our glue here, and then we will put this on it. See how that will go? Now I'm going to put some paper clips on it just to hold it in place until it dries a little bit. And on the layout, you can change the name, of course, and the sentiment. And I will leave some notes on the layout to show you what you need to change there. Now, this is going to be on top of here. So I made some extras just to make it lift a little bit. You could use dimensionals if you wanted to, but I just made some extras, and you can use as many as you want. I've gave you 3 extras, but I think I'm going to put mine on with a 4th one. So I'm going to just glue all those together, and I'll be right back. All right, I've got those all glued together. Now I'm going to glue on this to here, just like that. Now this is laid out for his 17th birthday. If your number is a different number than 17, then you'll need to change this out. You'll need to ungroup it, detach it, and lay this out as a different number, whatever that number might be. Now the way this will work is that this will fold under here, this will fold down. Now I've got these other panels to go on here. And I've also made a gift card holder that you can put on the back. Now this will go on the front. This will fold down, and this will go right across. And when you glue this down, remember to just put the glue, don't put the glue in the center. Just put it right here. And then on the inside, I put this here just for decoration, and I'll put this here. So let's get started with that. This will go right here. And I'm going to put this down as close to the bottom as I can get it. And when I put this on, as I said, it's just going to go on these last two letters. Happy 17th birthday. And then these two will go on the inside. Now I added a little bit of glossy accents. And I'm going to put my gift card holder here. Actually, I might put it here since the gift cards tend to be pretty tall. Just put it around the edge. There you go. Happy birthday. See you next time. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video useful, don't forget to click the like, subscribe, and notification bell to stay informed about more exciting projects. I appreciate you watching my video, and I will see you next time.